Good day, I am Joseph M. Ayala from BSED Math 3B. For today, we will present the flower shape model project number 5. Based on our previous project, we have here elements MAT, HAE, NIU, S, ROC, K24, and on the front side of our model, we have M, A, T, H, G, E, N, and I. Now, in this video, we have elements alpha sub 1, alpha sub 8, alpha sub 7, alpha sub 6, alpha sub 2, alpha sub 3, alpha sub 4, and alpha sub 5 on the front face of our model. And then on our back face of the model, we have elements tau, tau sub 2, tau sub 8, tau sub 5, tau sub 1, tau sub 3, tau sub 7, tau sub 4, and tau sub 6. We will identify its given of each elements based on its move on the model. So, for our alpha sub 1, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the upper. And on the lower, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 din siya. So, bakit? Because, mapapansin niyo yung arrow, dyan tayo mag-uumpisang magbilang. So, kung magbibilang tayo pa clockwise. So, kung sa alpha sub 1 tayo mag-uumpisa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yung outcome niya, yung sa baba niya. So, singit ko lang yung sa lower yung laging papalitan. Then sa upper is mag-stay lang siya sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, for our A sub or alpha sub 8, for our alpha sub 8, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sa upper. Then sa lower natin, meron tayong 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So kung titignan natin sa model, tapat na nung arrow yung 8. So magbibilang tayo ng clockwise. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for our alpha sub 7, ayan. Same process lang din. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for our alpha sub 6, we have 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for our alpha sub 2, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Then for our alpha sub 3, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Then for our alpha sub 4, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Then for our alpha sub 5, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, or 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry. Then for our back face of the model, we have tau squared which 218,76543. Sa tau 8 naman, we have 876,54321. Then sa tau 5, we have 54321,876. Then sa tau 1, 1876,5432. Then sa tau 3, 321,87654. Then sa tau 7, 7654321,8. Then sa tau 4, 4321,8765. Then sa tau 6, 654,321,87. So, kung mapapansin natin, kung doon sa mga alpha natin or doon sa front side ng or front face ng model natin, pataas yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng number. But here sa sa back face of our model, pababa yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga number. So now we will going to operate each element. Ayan. So now we will going to operate each element to each other para mabuo natin tong table of results. So given here the first column and first row ng table natin kasi kapag yung isang element natin is i-multiply natin siya sa identity alpha sub 1 which is the alpha sub 1 is yun pa rin yung lalabas yung elements na i-operate natin siya sa alpha sub 1. So kaya for our first column we have parehas lang siya doon sa original natin na mga elements. So now given dito yung a or alpha sub 8 is equal to alpha sub 7 and alpha sub 8 operates to alpha sub 7 is equal to alpha sub 6. So, yan yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. So, alpha sub 8 star alpha sub 8 is equal to alpha sub 7 because, so kung mapapansin natin, nandyan yung given or yung solution. So, first, titignan natin dito sa right side. So, before ko i-explain kung ba't nakuha yung alpha sub 7, ilalagay muna natin yung value ng dalawang element na ipag-ooperate natin. Like for example, tong alpha sub 8 operates so alpha sub 8, ilalagay natin siya. So, sa left side is yung unang element, then sa right side yung pangalawang elements. So now, kung makikita natin yung arrow, dito tayo mag-uumpisa doon sa mga numbers. So, kung makikita natin doon sa una or sa taas, sa upper, unang-una yung 1, then titingin tayo sa baba niya which is 8. So, 1, 8, tapos maghahanap tayo hanapin natin yung 8 sa upper nung sa left side, which is yung nandito sa dulo, 8, then hanapin natin yung nasa baba niya which is the 7. Then yung 7 na yan, ilalagay natin siya sa pangatlo. Yung pangatlo sa may baba kasi sa taas is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rin naman siya. Then 7 na yung first first answer. Then sa 2, yung katapat ng 2 sa right 2, 1, then hanapin yung 1, 8. O, yun. Di pupunta natin yung 8 dito sa my third parenthesis. Then, sa 3 naman, ano yung katapat ng 3 is 2. Then, yung hanapin natin yung 2 dito sa my left side, which is katapat ng 2 sa baba is yung 1. Then, ilalagay natin doon yung 1. Then, for our 4 is, hanapin natin yung 4 sa right side. Yung katapat niya is 3. Then yung 3, hanapin natin sa left side, dun sa taas. Then yung katapat ng 3 is 2. Then as well as yung mga susunod. So yung value na nakuha natin is yung value ng alpha 7. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yan yung value ng alpha 7. So kaya yung alpha sub 8 operates so alpha sub 8 is equal to alpha sub 7. So next tayo sa alpha sub 8 operates to alpha sub 7 is equal to alpha sub 6. So same process lang din. Dito tayo mauna sa may right side. So 1, 7. So 7 yung nasa baba ng 1. Then hanapin yung 7 dito. So 7 is 6 yung nasa baba niya. Ilalagay natin yung 6 doon sa may third parenthesis doon sa baba niya. Then ganun din, same process lang, 2, 8, then 8, 7. O lagay natin yung 7 doon. Then 3, 1, then 1, 8. Tapos 4, 2, then 2, 1. then yung 5, 3, then 3, 2, then 6, 4, 4, 3, 7, 5, 5, 4, then 8, 6, 6, 5. So, ang sagot natin is 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is yung value ni alpha sub 6. So now, um, alpha sub 8 star alpha sub 6 is equal to alpha sub 5. So, same process lang din siya. Same process lang din. So, mauna muna tayo sa right. 1, 6. Hanapin yung 6. 5 yung katapat ng 6 dito sa may left side. So, yung 5, ilalagay natin sa may third parenthesis. Then 2, 7. Then 7, 6. Then 3, 8. 8, 7. Then 4, 1. 1, 8. Then 6, 3 or 5, 2. Then 2, 1. Ayun, tama naman yung nasa third parenthesis natin. Then 6, 6, 3. Then 3, 2. Tama. And then 7, 4. 4, 3. And 8, 5. And then 5, 4. So, nakuha natin is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this value is yung alpha sub 5. So, next example natin. So, next example, alpha sub 8 star alpha sub 2. So, dito, mag-umpisa ulit tayo sa right. 1, 2, then 2, 1, then 2, 3, 3, 2, then 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 7, 8, then 8, 7, then 8, 8, then, wait lang, sorry, then 7, 8, 8, 7, then 8-1, yun, ayun, nakita na natin. 8-1, then 1-8 siya. Kaya nakuha natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yun yung value ng identity natin. So, alpha sub 1 siya. So, yun yung identity natin. So, next. So, since alam na natin kung paano kuhanin or paano kunin yung or paano i-operate yung mga elements sa isa't isa, now ito yung table of results. So dito, nakuha na natin lahat yung result nung pinag-ooperate natin. So to check its associativity, we need to rotate the table 180 degrees, then interchange the column. So dito, interchange natin yung alpha sub 3 and alpha sub 8, alpha sub 3 and alpha sub 7, alpha sub 4 and alpha sub 6, alpha sub 4 and alpha sub 2, alpha sub 4 and alpha sub 3, tau sub 3 and tau sub 8, tau sub 4 and tau sub 5, tau sub 4 and tau sub 1, tau sub 4 and tau sub 7, tau sub 7 and tau sub 3. Then for our row, in-interchange natin yung alpha sub 8 and alpha sub 7, alpha sub 7 and alpha sub 2, alpha sub 2 and alpha sub 4, alpha sub 4 and alpha sub 8 or alpha sub 3 rather, alpha tau sub 1 and tau sub 8, tau sub 1 and tau sub 5, tau sub 4 and tau sub 1, and tau sub 7 and tau sub 1. So, after natin ma-interchange ang mga yan, let's check kung um, yung outcome nung after natin pinag-interchange yung rows and columns is parehas dun sa outcome natin dun or parehas dun sa mga outcome sa table natin. Ito na yung after natin i-interchange. So now, since parehas yung outcome natin after natin i-interchange at saka yung table na original natin, so this table is associative. So now, let's check the identity. So kanina sinabi ko yung identity natin is alpha sub 1. So we have identity. So for our inverses, we have here alpha sub 1 or inverse of alpha sub 1 is equal to alpha sub 1. Inverse of alpha sub 8 is equal to alpha sub 2. Inverse of alpha sub 7 is equal to alpha sub 3. Inverse of alpha sub 6 is equal to alpha sub 4. Inverse of alpha sub 5 is equal to alpha sub 5. So, inverse of alpha sub 4 is equal to alpha sub 6. And inverse of alpha sub 3 is equal to alpha sub 7. Then the inverse of alpha sub 2 is equal to alpha sub 8. Then the inverse of tau sub 1 is tau sub 1. Then tau sub 2 is tau sub 2. Tau sub 3 is tau sub 3. Tau sub 4 is tau sub 4. Tau sub 5 is tau sub 5. Tau sub 6 is tau sub 6. Tau sub 7 is tau sub 7. And last, tau sub 8 is tau sub 8. So, since na-satisfy natin yung conditions to be a group, uh, so therefore, this table is a permutation group. So, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching. Again, I am Joseph M. Ayala from BSED Math 3B.